先倒过来。
I know that means hurry up, yeah. Alright, this is our Haida House complex. These houses were built in 1962 to 1963. This is a house where people would have lived. It's about 2/3 the size of a normal Haida house. And this is a mortuary house where they would have kept the dead. They normally would not have been right next to each other. They would have been further apart. So the smoke can get out here, but no rain gets inside.
And would it be wood or like
Wood, yeah.
Wood. Okay, 所以是木头，但是是这样子，所以
This is the
烟
same.
可以出来。
然后不会造成
雨，
所以它是为了采光用玻璃。
对，所以 you wouldn't be able to see the sun。
没有玻
No,
璃。
well, a little bit, but not really.
一点点，但是不太。
And this is the same wood as the one I pointed out on the way here.
所以我们刚刚走进来的时候看到那个树就是一样的木头，这个树晒到上去。
All right, are we ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Salmon, those are everywhere. These are feasting dishes, so they held food for potlatch feast. A potlatch feast is a large feasting ceremony where chiefs give away a lot of value, so it's about like kind of like redistribution of wealth. And then also, so one more thing is that it was made illegal from 1884 to 1951. And the more you could give away, the more powerful you were seen to be.
头目会越来越没有钱，会变穷。像我们是有那个猎手的，砍头，对不对？那我们猎完手以后，我们要请全部部落的人一起吃饭，所以就是也是一直给，然后所以很会猎手的人呢，他的家里都非常贫穷，但是他在部落里面他是很勇敢、很有权威的人。
Yeah, that's very similar. Potlatches would happen for like significant life events like birth, death, marriage, inheriting a title. So if you became a chief, there'd be a potlatch, or raising a totem pole.
Okay.
And even though it was made illegal, people continued to practice it. For example, this one here is made in 1918. That's a spoon. Its tongue is a spoon.
Okay. 所以它的舌头是汤匙。
Yeah, so you serve it. Yeah, so it's cool. And this here is what's called a Sisiutl. It's a two-headed sea serpent. The artist tried to show how different people respond differently to seeing the world for the first time. So some people are scared, some people are excited, so you see all the different emotions on the faces.